My first season of life centered around a baseball diamond for an office. In reality, though, the ballpark was so much more than that. Hi, I'm Aaron Miller. I've been at ADT for 7 years and the VP of the DIY business. I really had a knack for baseball and just an interest for the game. That kind of grew from high school to college, where I played at Baylor University, and ended up getting drafted by the Dodgers. At some point, though, I just knew that it wasn't working out. So that's kind of when I decided to hang up the cleats, as they say, in 2015, getting my MBA, which then led me here to ADT. When it comes to baseball, and very much at ADT, or just life in general, I have a belief that there's a certain set of intangible skills that no matter what you do, translate. Things like hard work, things like perseverance, things like dedication, commitment, teamwork, and really intentional effort. People often ask me, what's the one thing you miss? And there's two things. One, it is the competitiveness. You know, like all of us, like we have an innate drive to win. And in baseball, you could show up and win every day. But the number two most important thing is culture, is the culture of the team, the culture of the environment, the culture of the locker room. Like that is such a unique experience. And trying to replicate that at ADT is actually not incredibly difficult because we have that culture. We have that bond of a unique calling, a calling that's above us, to be able to help and support our customers no matter what, kind of where they are. We believe people are safer when they have ADT product and ADT monitoring than when they don't. And so very much a part of my goal is going to be, how do we get our solution to more people in more places so that we can protect more people? Simple as that.